Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create motion graphics in After Effects. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create motion graphics in After Effects. So first, you can use the Shape tool found in the toolbar to draw shapes such as rectangles, ellipses, or custom polygons. Adjust the shape properties, including fill color, stroke color, and stroke width, using the fill and stroke options and the toolbar. Now, let's use the pre-built-in animations. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and browse the Animation Presets, Shape category. Then, just drag and drop a preset onto your layer to quickly add complex animation. Highlight the layer, then go to Effects Controls, then customize the effect settings and the Effect Controls panel to achieve your desired look. Press the spacebar to preview your composition. Watch the animation to ensure it flows smoothly, and adjust keyframes, effects, or timing as needed. By following these steps, you can create compelling motion graphics and After Effects that capture attention and communicate your message effectively. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.